Welcome to Objective Tutorial. Experts recommend for an attractive resume, write your career goals in the objective sections. A resume objective is a statement of your goals for employment, usually listed at the top of your resume. A resume objective is typically 1 or 2 sentences long. Click on the plus tab to select the predefined objectives. These predefined objectives are written by experts. Scroll down to see more objectives. Select any objective that suits your requirement. Click on Confirm to save your written objective. Tap on Saved Objective to edit it. You can write your own objective. You can edit your saved objective anytime. Just single tap on your saved objective to edit it again. You can select a predefined objective anytime. Changing the objective here will directly change the objective on the resume. You can come back and change it again and again without any limitations. Great! Now you have made your objective. Let's move to qualifications section.